Hi, my name is Brian Sheezer from Trellis at the Heathman Hotel in Kirkland, Washington, and I'm here to talk a little bit about how to cook a medium rare burger. Now, some of the important things when making burgers is always to remember that our surfaces need to be cleaned and sanitized, that if you're handling ground raw meat, you can use a pair of gloves or a plastic bag will also work, and that everything is kept nice and cold. So we start out, take your ground beef, you form your burgers, you cook your burgers, and then when your burgers are cooked, we look for different temperatures. So medium rare, rule of thumb for medium rare, is 100 degrees. And I use a digital thermometer often in the kitchen and checking the temperature of medium rare, well done burgers. So remember 130 to 135 degrees. Here in front of me I have 3 burgers, and I'm going to show you just cutting here. Here we have a well done burger there. Yep, here we go. Pick up here, grab my knife and cut that. And here we have our medium rare burger. It's Brian Sheezer from Trellis and showing you the temperatures of a medium rare burger.